guys, thanks for watching my video. I ordered these Kobe's for my husband from Dick's, and they arrived. I am unboxing it just to show you they are Kobe's, and I did buy them from Dick's Sporting Good. They were, I think, about $100. I was so shocked because you can't find any of Kobe's right now for under like $300, and so this is basically the little paperwork that came into the box. It came in a box just so you know that they are Kobe and they're legit. So this is what they look like before I decided to custom design them. And I am not an artist, in meaning that I don't know how to draw images and stuff like that. So I will be doing a heat transfer with transfer paper, and he didn't want any colors or for me to color it, spray paint, airbrush it or anything like that. So I went to Google, found some images, and sent them to my Silhouette Cameo software right here, shrink them down to size, and yeah, I'm getting ready to do something with my mom also. And I print them, cut them, put tape and stick, put them where I would like them to be. And probably won't be the final image, just to show you just an idea of where everything will go. You could play with it as much as you want. It's a rough cut. He doesn't want any paint, even though he agreed on the back to paint it. That's why I got my kit from Angelus Direct. They have a kit that's in this box, but I also bought some auto products, and I think I paid either $149 or $169 for everything that's in here. And I'm just showing you the different colors I bought. So those right there that I showed, those white little containers, those are if you're painting on cloth or painting on leather, so that it doesn't crack when you're walking. And I got the purple and close to yellow as possible for I want to do some Louis Vuitton. I love these markers. I got it from Amazon. I've been using them. I'll link a video that I just did with Sesame Street for my little nephew for his Air Force, Nike Air Force One mid. And so anyways, I will be printing now on my transfer paper. And make sure that your printer image is set to photo paper and best quality, because now you're actually on a photo type quality paper. You're not on regular paper like this right here. And now it's printing. There is a difference in color versus regular paper. This is the t-shirt transfer paper that I bought from Amazon. I'll be cutting out the images. Silhouette Cameo has the option to print and cut, but for whatever reason I always have to troubleshoot it. I lose a lot of paper, so I have my little scissors that I can cut with. And it helps. I mean, it's really tiny, so you could get all the little detail area. And I print like two of every image in case I mess up on one. And so this is everything already cut, and I'll be all the numbers. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those numbers or if I was going to use my stencil that I bought, but we'll see. I'm just starting to peel them off, get everything already peeled off, so when I'm starting to heat transfer them, I don't have to waste time peeling, because my mini iron is already hot. I don't want to keep that plugged in for any longer than I need to. So I'm going to go ahead and peel. What I like with this one versus the last paper that I used for the Sesame Street one is that they already have some little pre-cut in the back. I didn't realize that while I was trying to iron, it wouldn't stick. I'm like, why is that sticking? And I peel it back, and I saw those papers still on there. I could just peel it off. Hey guys, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and do so now. So I am now peeling it completely off and using a wax paper that came with the transfer paper. And I paid, I think, $6 change for 5 paper. And so I'm just still placing stuff around. I'm not sure where, even though I have in my head where I already put the last image on the regular paper, I still move them around. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use these lettering or use the markers, but at the end I did do Mamacita and Gigi in the posca pen, and I'm telling you guys, on this material right here, it wasn't that great. So I am so glad that I ended up using the Kobe, the 8, the 24, and the 2 in print transfer paper than marker, because it was like spreading or bleeding a little bit, and I didn't like how the writing came out on that. So again, this is for my husband. I'm not selling these. I am not making money off these. My husband loves Kobe, the Lakers, so I did it for him. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put them where I put the wax paper. And I had this set on high when I did the Sesame Street, and it was kind of burning the paper, which is basically t-shirt transfer. It shouldn't burn it, right? But for whatever reason it was. So I end up putting it on medium. I just, and make sure you get the corners. When I'm done heat transferring, I kind of take my X-Acto knife and I kind of go around it to see if it's a little piece that wasn't sticking on. And that's what I did. So the Posca pen I got from Amazon. I saw this on Sorrento. He did a Kobe shoes, and he sent it out to a guy that actually put a monitor in the shoes, and they have clips of Kobe's. I don't know how long, maybe a minute long. So I asked him, I found it on Instagram, I'm following him, I forgot his name, and I asked him, hey, how much do you charge to put like a little monitor in these shoes? Because I want to put all my son, my oldest son, all his little like clips in it, and have it on when he's in a draft for NBA. Ah, yay! You gotta speak it to receive it. So, anyways, I'm just trying to position everything and see where I would like it, and just iron it on. When you're done, even though they say this is good for up to 8 wash. If you do heat transfer on shirts, it's good for 8 wash before it starts fading. So basically, this shoe, if it got wet in the rain, these paper transfer wouldn't bleed or anything like that. But just to be on the safe side, I will seal it with the sealer from Angelus Direct. I'll show you that at the end. So I'm just going ahead and put on Mamacita, her beautiful picture. And my husband wanted to pay respects, or I did a shirt for him as well, and just so he could wear these. It hit us pretty hard as it did everybody else. So I got these stencils. They're about 5 by the size of the stencil is about 5 by 7, just to show you basically what the letters would be like. And I got that from Amazon as well. And I just kind of traced the Mamacita and Gigi from that, because I can't even freestyle for drawing. So I did that. And then I'm going to use my Posca markers and go ahead and fill it in. Again, this material that it was cloth on top, and some parts of it had like the leather, but the material was kind of like it had like a pattern in it, and it was causing the material to bleed, and that's what it looks like. And just to show you a quick, I didn't like the space right there by Gigi and Kobe, so I went ahead and filled it in. So that's the sealer that I'm going to, I wait like maybe an hour. I have a heat dryer, and I did it on my nephew's shoe yesterday, and it seemed like it overheat. What the Wagner one, and I got it from Angelus Direct, but I did have it on a high setting, so I didn't need to dry anything today because I didn't paint really anything other than the 2 names. So I just let it sit and air dry, and then I very carefully and I don't go from left to right when I paint. I go from up to down, so that if it does bleed, it doesn't damage the other image or word that's next to the picture. But I didn't have any problem. I thought the black was gonna bleed, so I was kind of scared. So I just kind of like dab it on instead of rubbing it on. So yeah, so that's what I did. So this is a little easy thing. You can custom design your own shoes, like if you don't have the talent to draw. I know a lot of people don't know how to draw, and I wish I had the talent. I don't. So I do heat transfer, and again, it's just for my husband. You won't find these on Etsy because I'm not selling them. And he's a size 13, so these are huge, huge tennis shoes. And I was so shocked to be able to find any of Kobe's tennis shoes out there. My kids and my husband, they have a lot of Kobe's. Only one I think he ended up donating way back when, and he regrets it now. But he still have them, and we told them they're not using it anymore. If they use it, it's like on rare occasions. So this is how it turned out. I hope you like it. Please share. And I have 2 more to do. One is the Louis Vuitton I've got some cute Puma. I went for the high Air Force one, but I couldn't find them. So I found some Puma that was awesome. So I'm going to do the Louis Vuitton with glitter paper, and also my son wants the flames on his van. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share, like, make comments, whatever you need to do. Thanks. Bye-bye.